Hi chuirde, is Misha Alana o Let's Learn Irish, and today we're going to learn some of the words to describe your family members in your household in Irish. We must be careful using the words mu, as mu means my, and usually the following word after mu takes a sheanmhú or a h when applicable. I'll give you a list of vocabulary and we'll go through it together. If you want to say my mother, you say mháthair. Mháthair. To say my father, we can say mháthair. Mháthair. To say my grandmother, we say mháthair. Mháthair. To say grandfather, you can say mháthair. Mháthair. To say my brother, you say mhadra. Mhadra. To say my sister, you can say dheirfiúr. Dheirfiúr. To say my auntie, we can say mhuintir. Mhuintir. And finally, to say my uncle, we can say mhuintir. Mhuintir. To talk about your pet, you can simply say pheata. Pheata, which means my pet. Or else you could say mhadra. Mhadra, which means my dog. Or else you could also say this mhút. Mhút, which means my cat. Play back this video to practice these phrases, and always remember that usually the word following mu takes a sheanmhú when applicable. I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. For more Irish, more vocabulary, and more information, go to letslearnirish.com. Bígí Pórtach.